You expected me to catch that? You try again.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Let's get to the castle.
Oh, I forgot! I never finished building the... Ah!
Oh, straight to the castle, huh?
Just like I planned it! See? The castle!
Hey, the elephant. She's up there.
Yeah, the gate must be nearby. Come on.
Wow. You and Rose built all of this?
We sure did.
It's not bad, Cody. Not bad. Oh, wow. You built a train track, too.
Oh, yeah. And it's got the best views.
My bird's gonna win.
Whatever, my bird is better than your bird.
Well, my bird is cuter.
Squawk, squawk! That's it! I got this! Bring it home!
Well done, birdie. Cool.
No props!
Nice. The winner is Team Bluebird.
Lame! The Cody Express is the best ride in town.
All right, let's see if we can get a better view of the castle. Let's see if this will take us near the gate. The gate's locked, but there's got to be a way in. Ah, that feels great. No one saw that, right?
There's the castle gate. Up there.
So we've got this big crane here. I'm sure it could be useful for this gate. for a little bowling?
You're crazy, but I like it.
Wait, we're not here to cause trouble.
Yeah, we're just here to see the elephant.
How dare you insult Cutie the Third, Queen of the Magic Castle? In short, Her Majesty.
Oh, yes, we mean Her Majesty. Can you take us to her?
It's kind of urgent.
The Queen does not grant audience with peasants.
Peasants? Whoa, back up. Who you calling peasants there, buddy? Okay, I built this castle. All right, I even came up with the name Magic Castle, so if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't
Okay,
even be...
behave! Excuse my underling, ma'am.
Underling?
Underling, yes. We are messengers from a land far, far away. We come with a very important letter for Her Majesty.
Hand it over.
Oh, well, we need to see Her Majesty in person.
Why?
Because they wanna kill the queen.
What? No!
Do you speak the truth?
Of course, I never lie. I'm Dr. Hakim, Book of Truth.
Oh.
At your Majesty's service, Cutie Elephant III, Queen of the Magic Castle.
You just stop sucking up. Don't listen to him, all right? He's crazy, loco. He's lying.
Oh, yeah? Then why don't you show the letter to Her Majesty, huh?
Well, maybe I will. Okay, so the thing with the letter is it's kind of complex.
Ha! Exactly. Because there is no letter. Case closed. Oh!
Bring them in!
Mom. Oh. Huh? Oh. Hey, May, you okay?
Oh, not been this great in years. Oh. Gosh, Cody, why did you build prison cells?
Well, because all castles have prison cells. Sorry. Then make up the rules. Hey! Anyone hear us? Hello? Hello?
Well, lucky for us, you're not the engineer in the family.
Do you mind? What are you doing? I built that.
Yeah, I can see that. The toilet has no pipes.
Yeah? It's a toy castle. Toys don't go to the bathroom. I'm not an engineer in the family.
Oh, I really should have skipped those beans.
Come on, hurry up.
I can't.
Okay, so you built this place. Where to now?
Just turn right here.
God!
Over here, quick! Come on!
Oh, it's too much. Oh, God. Whoa! Oh, yeah! Whoa! Whoa, ice orbs! May! I have cool magician powers!
And I have fire! Wow!
Just like I said, a magic castle.
Cody, let's get ready.